Hey guys, so welcome once again to Cloud Learning channel. So today we are going to talk about EC2 service, and the topic is how to convert a PPK file into PEM file. So many till now you know that PEM file we require to connect a Linux server, right? Anytime if we need to connect a server like Windows or Linux server, we need PEM file, right? And it got created when you launch a server, right? But now I'm talking about reverse, right? And if you are using putty, so you need to convert PAM file into PPK file to connect it, right? Because putty only understand PPK file, right? Now I am talking about the issue when you have a PPK file and you lost PAM file. Okay, what it can be done? Why I face this issue? I face this issue due to this one. If you go to keep here now, on the left tab of EC2, you can see that you can create a key pair. Okay, and suppose you create a key pair and you can download it into direct PPK format. Okay, so it will save your time and you don't need to convert PAM file into PPK if you are using Putty2, right? But problem is that when you are going to connect it via Linux tool, or what happen, like if you have used this key into Windows, so sometime I got stuck and I face this issue, right? So what we need to convert this PPK file also into PAM file. So how to do that? Here is the tip. Okay, so again you need this Putty Keygen tool. Go to Putty Keygen, click on load, save your file, open it. Okay, and now you need to go to conversion, then go to conversion, then go to export open SSH key. Okay, you need to click on export open SSH key. If you do this, click on yes, and then just save this file as a test.pem. okay, rather than ppk, now we are giving the extension PEM. Okay, I can use this and this PEM file will be in correct format. To confirm that, what I can do, if you go to download, if you open this file into notepad, you can see the content, right? So it is starting with RSA private key and RSA private key ending with this, as PEM file used to do, right? And PPK file format, you know, like it is different, right? PPK use this format. Okay, so now we have both format and all things are okay, right? So I have now the correct PAM file, you can use it, right? So I hope this video would be useful for you and you understand the thing. And if you stuck somewhere, like as I did few days before, so I'd like to share it with you also, right? If you are having issue or if you want to learn cloud computing, you can visit my website cloudlearning.co.in and you can get any solution, right? I have awesome coupon there for free learning, as well as my AWS, Google courses and Docker courses are there, which you can do self-learning, right? If you are interested for teacher-based training, so that is also available. Okay, thanks, care. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.